Hi there, English learners. Welcome back to another lesson of English pronunciation and phonetics. In this video, I'm going to showcase for you how to pronounce these 10 words that start with letter S. Without further ado, let's start. Somnambulist, sorcery, sorcerer, sorceress, sorority, stevedore, suave, stultify, subterfuge, and the last word is surmise. Let's begin with the first word and study its sounds and see the placement of stress within this word. This is a noun, and this is how we say this noun in English. Somnambulist. If you want to make the syllables, somnambulist. As you hear, you can easily pinpoint the 4 vowel sounds. The second vowel sound, nam, should be stressed. We say somnambulist. And what's somnambulist? It's a person who walks when asleep. That kind of person is called the somnambulist. The second word is sorcery. It's a 3-syllable word. The first syllable so is stressed. And the sorcery is witchcraft or magic. We say sorcery. Sorcery. And then word number 3 is sorcerer. The same thing, it contains 3 syllables. Sorcerer. The first syllable so with long o should be stressed. A man, a sorcerer, who is a man. The female or the feminine noun is sorceress. Sorcerer is a male, and a feminine is called a sorceress. The same thing, this word contains 3 vowel sounds. Sorceress. The first vowel sound should be stressed. Sorceress. I repeat, somnambulist, sorcery, sorcerer, sorceress. Word number 5 is sorority. Sorority. It's a sorority. It's a 4-syllable noun. And the second vowel sound, ro, with short o, should be stressed. We say sorority. And what's sorority? It means student society for women. That's sorority. Word number 6 is stevedore. Sti with long e, v, do. That's the syllabification. The first syllable, sti with long e, should be stressed. We say stevedore. Stevedore. And what's a stevedore? Is a person who works at a port, loading and unloading the ships. That person is called the stevedore. Word number 7 is suave. Suave is a monosyllabic word. It's an adjective, and we say suave or long a. Suave. That's monosyllabic word, and it means extremely polite with smooth manners. That's being suave. Word number 8 is stultify. It's a verb. Stultify is a 3-syllable verb. The first syllable, stal, should be stressed. We say stultify. And to stultify is to make someone stupid. That's to stultify. Word number 9 is subterfuge. Subterfuge is a 3-syllable noun, and the first syllable, sub, should be stressed again. We say to subterfuge. And subterfuge is a trick or a clever plot. And the last word is surmise. Surmise is a disyllabic verb, and to surmise is to guess. we say surmise. The second syllable mise should be stressed. Surmise. Now let's practice. Somnambulist, sorcery, sorcerer, sorceress, sorority, stevedore, suave, stultify, subterfuge, and surmise. Surmise, subterfuge, stultify, suave, stevedore, sorority, sorceress, sorcerer, sorcery, and somnambulist. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Goodbye.